What if you could build a realistic AI influencer in minutes, generate short videos with smooth motion, post them on Instagram or YouTube, and start earning rewards without filming anything yourself? No camera, no studio, and no face reveal. In this video, I'll show you Higgsfield.ai, how to create both a female and a male AI character, how to turn them into videos step by step, and how you can monetize those videos using Higgsfield Earn. Higsfield is a fast-growing creator-first Gen AI platform built specifically for people who want to create digital personas and monetize content. At its core, Higsfield focuses on two things: creation and earning. First, there's AI Influencer Studio, where you can design, customize, and animate original AI characters in one unified workflow. Second, there's Higgsfield Earn, a monetization system that lets you earn rewards by publishing your AI influencer videos on social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. So instead of just creating AI content for fun, Higgsfield gives you a clear path to turn that content into income. How you can earn money with AI influencers. Let's quickly understand how the earning part works before we go into the tutorial. You create AI influencer videos inside Higgsfield. You post those videos on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even long-form YouTube videos. Then you submit the post link inside the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. As your content gains views and engagement, you earn rewards based on performance. So the more consistent and engaging your content is, the better your earning potential. Step by step, access AI Influencer Studio. Now let's start from the beginning. Open your browser and go to Higgsfield.ai. Once the homepage loads, look for AI Influencer Studio and click on it. This will take you to the main dashboard, where you can create, manage, and edit AI influencer characters. You'll also see pre-built characters that you can customize or use as a starting point. Step by step, create a female AI influencer character. Let's first create a female AI influencer. Inside the character builder, select character type as human, then choose gender as female. Next, select the origin or region. For example, Indian, European, or any other option that fits your content idea. After that, you'll see options to customize: skin tone, eye color, age group such as adult or mature. Now move into the advanced customization section. Here you can refine facial details like eyes, mouth shape, and overall facial structure. This is important because small changes can make the influencer feel much more realistic and unique. Once the face is ready, customize the hair, style, and accessories. You can give your influencer a casual look, a fashion-forward look. When everything looks good, click Generate. After a short wait, your female AI influencer will be ready. Make sure to save this character so you can reuse it across multiple videos and maintain consistency. Step by step, create a male AI influencer character. Now let's create a male AI influencer, which is useful if you want to test different audiences or niches. In the same builder, select human as the character type and choose male as the gender. Pick the origin or continent you want, then adjust the basics like skin tone, eye color, and age group. Go into the advanced settings and refine facial features like eyes, jawline, and mouth to give the character a strong, realistic presence. Then move on to hairstyle, clothing style, and accessories. For example, you can design a fitness influencer, a textile creator, or a lifestyle personality. Again, choose a realistic visual style, click Generate, and wait for the character to be created. Save this male influencer as well, so you now have multiple characters ready for content creation. Step by step, turn your AI influencer into a video. Once your characters are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Inside the studio, go to the video generation or preset section. Here you'll find different video presets and motion options, such as dancing, gestures, lifestyle movements, and more. Choose a preset that matches your content idea. Then select the video quality and motion settings. If available, explore the motion library and try different motions to see which one looks the most natural. Click Generate and let the video render. Once it's done, preview the video carefully. If something feels off, like hand movement or posture, you can regenerate using a different motion preset. When you're satisfied, download the video. It's now ready to be posted on social media. Step by step, publish the video and earn with Higgsfield Earn. Now, let's connect everything to earnings. Go back to the website and open Higgsfield Earn. Log in and connect your social account. Ownership verification happens quickly, without long manual approval. Next, upload your AI influencer video to Instagram or YouTube. Once it's live, copy the video or reel link and paste it into the Earn dashboard. From there, Higsfield tracks your content's performance. As your views increase and your content performs well, you earn rewards based on the platform's criteria. Higgsfield.ai pricing and daily free credits. One more important thing to talk about is pricing, because this is where Higgsfield really stands out. Compared to many other AI tools in this space, Higgsfield.ai is much more affordable and creator-friendly. The pricing is designed so beginners can start without a big upfront cost, and advanced creators can scale without spending too much. On top of that, Higgsfield also gives you free credits on a regular basis. These free credits allow you to generate AI influencers, images, and even videos without paying anything. So even if you're just testing ideas or learning the platform, you can still create real content for free. This makes Higgsfield a great option if you want to experiment, practice, and publish AI influencer content without pressure, while still having the option to upgrade later when you're ready to scale. If you want to try this yourself, visit Higgsfield.ai. Open AI Influencer Studio, create your first male or female AI influencer, generate your first video, and then explore Higgsfield Earn to start monetizing your content. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's interested in earning with AI. Let me know in the comments, what kind of AI influencer would you create first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.